If you are buying a condominium, there is also additional condominium due diligence. So, in the condo addendum that we had you sign, that's an addendum to the purchase agreement, we are asking for specific documentation from the seller, from the homeowners association. We are asking for the master deed, the bylaws, and some of the financial statements so you can understand financially how the homeowners association conducted itself in the last year and what it plans to spend in the next year based on a budget that they have put together. So the things that you want to look out for and review, understand what you are responsible for. Every condo association is different. So some condos, you're responsible for the windows, and in other condos, the HOA is responsible for the windows. Things like that. So you really want to understand what is your responsibility to maintain and what is the HOA going to do. You may also want to look through the bylaws to understand different restrictions that they may have, like they have a requirement that all of your blinds have to be white. Or do they only accept pets under 50 pounds? Or if you ever want to move out and rent the property, what are their restrictions related to renting? So those are all important things that may influence your interest in buying the property. You also want to explore the financial health of the homeowners association. The HOA by law is required to have 10% of its operating budget in a reserve fund. Does it have that? Are there any major upgrades that are needed? And does the HOA have the money for them? You want to really understand how it's been handling itself financially so you will know or have an idea if you will be asked to contribute any money in addition to your HOA monthly dues at any point in the near future. You can even ask to see the condo association minutes to see what people are talking about at the previous meetings, anything that's going to help you get a good picture of the homeowners association that is important to you.